technocrat lah. He doesn't see things this way. To him, because a building is a work of art, a house is a work of art. I want to put my signature there. I want to put my legacy there. So that's why you see Petronas Twin Towers. You think of Mahathir, something like that lah. You see UM Academy, you think of Paro. If you see KL Central, Nara, you see the face of Dr. Ahmad. So everybody wants to leave a legacy behind. So
they want the buildings to be unique by itself.
Exactly. No, this is nothing wrong with that. Tapi having construed that, it's difficult to make it systematic in that sense. That is to say, you cannot mass produce this. Building ni bukan objek yang you boleh buat banyak-banyak kan. Like kereta, you can mass produce cars, you can mass produce laptop, OHP, tudung also can mass produce. So apa lagi? Aircon, air conditioning, these glass panels, everything can be mass produced. Tapi when you say bangunan, building, people can't really, I can't imagine that being mass produced. Then it becomes like all the same thing, and people say sama je, and then you have that mental picture of what you call this, everything being robotic or stiff, kan? So the architect wants to also still say, no, I cannot. This is bangunan ni, construction is a work of art. I want to put my what you call that mark there, right? So that's one of the reasons why it was late to pick up this so-called the good habits of industrialization in that sense. And in fact, that's why I say, kenapa bagi nama industrialize when it's already industry? But you see, even so, even it's called construction industry, building industry, it never really was an industry in that sense. You see? Okay. But having said that, now, why now? Of course, many reasons. Most of it got to do with the what you call this in Malaysia today, especially like foreign labour. Actually, we've got no shortage of labour in that sense. The only thing is that the labour problem is bringing a lot of problems. It brings a lot of social problems. If you look at in the West, they don't have labour, like in Germany, in Europe, in UK, in Holland, whatever it is. Their own people are building the buildings. So it's not there are shortage of this. And people don't like to do this, climbing up the scaffolding, what is dangerous. Say again. So it means to say, labour becomes expensive. When labour becomes expensive, they have to revert to standardization, industrialization. Meaning to say, whatever that they can do quickly in the factory, do it there, and then they'll bring it to the site and fix it up. So that you don't have like the luxury of what we have now in our region now, whereby we can get Bangla, we can get Indon, we can get Myanmar and whatnot. And I don't have to spend so much, I don't have to do the R&D, whatever it is in the factory. I just pay the you carry the wheelbarrow, you go to the site, batu-batu, pasang, and I'm not worried about whether you will get what you call accident or what. It's okay lah. Malaysian life is higher, like, thinking that way, but life is the same value, but Indon mati saya pun tak apa lah, that kind of thing. I mean, this is the attitude that a lot of those in the construction are saying, are having. But you see, it's not good lah. It's you're saying that it's okay lah, you are low class and I'm low class, I'm paying you, you have to work, that kind of thing. So and in a way, but you see, a lot of people like to come here and work because Malaysians are actually nice people. If let's say they are working in other places, say for instance in labor in the country, but in other countries they're not so nice. So when they come here, you find that look, they can even have families, they can send their kids to school. There was a problem recently. This guy, we don't know this is Indonesian. He went to towards university level, and then he says, you cannot study because you don't have apa tu sejarah kerakyatan. You are not Malaysian. But how did he went through the school punya ni primary school, secondary school, semua dia boleh masuk tau. So you see, they are actually, it's not legal, but the Indonesians, whatever, they're sending the kids to school and becoming nationalized. Then you find sometimes you walk in the jungle, you see a big bungalow there, they build bungalows in the jungles, that kind of thing. So you see, this is one of the reasons why, although we are saying there is a labor shortage, actually we don't want this them to come, and then recently we are trying to block. Tak boleh lah, no more lah. Because you see, now, I don't know whether anyone here answers Indonesian, no? So it's really, it's a problem lah, it's a problem. Okay, the whole issue here is, now Malaysia, context of Malaysia. We actually, there isn't, I would say after 3 years being here, and maybe Zaini pun can be, we are okay with conventional actually. We are okay. This is the new way, IBS. And what we want to go away from is the conventional or the traditional way of. Actually, conventional still rules, and 70% of the construction industry right now is still conventional. We're okay with that. Actually, the problem arises more on this foreign labor problem. And because of this, the government is saying, kalau Sami, no problem lah, ATM kena curi, kena excavate,